hypophyseal portal system. So what is the hypophyseal portal system? This type of portal system is present from fishes to amphibia, no any exception. From the fishes to amphibians, reptiles, aves, mammalians. These 5 classes are consistents of the hypophyseal portal system. So what is hypophysis? The hypothalamus. Hypophyseal nothing but hypothalamus, nothing but pituitary extracts. We are collecting of the pituitary extracts. That is known as a hypophyseal portal system. So the hypophyseal portal system is present on hypothalamus region. Hypothalamus. Nothing but the veins are collecting blood from the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus to what is the posterior pituitary. Posterior pituitary. The posterior pituitary to superior vena cava. Only 2 parts are there. First one, it is collecting which one? The veins. Which veins? Portal veins. Veins are carries the blood from these 2 regions. First one, hypothalamus and posterior pituitary. These veins are carries the blood from these 2. What is the 2 parts of the body, brain, and through the portal veins. These veins are directly leads into superior vena cava. Superior vena cava. What is the superior vena cava? It is collecting the blood from the superior parts of the body. It is collecting the blood from the superior parts of the body, such as brain, neck, facial. Already we are discussing. Superior vena cava. Superior vena cava to right atrium. Or nothing but right auricles. From the heart region. So, what is that? The hypophyseal, the hypothalamus, the posterior pituitary gland. What is the importance? They are collecting blood from these 2 parts. First one, this blood is containing more number of the hormones. Which one? Hormones. First one, regulation of the hormone regulation. First one, hormonal regulation. And transporting or collecting nitrogenous wastages. Which one? Nitrogen wastages. So these 2 functions. So first one, we are discussing about the hypophyseal portal system. First one, the hypophyseal portal system in fishes. In fishes, they are artificially collecting the pituitary extracts. They are collecting pituitary extracts for what is that? Brooding. Artificial brooding mechanism. First one, they are collecting hypothalamus. Nothing but the breakdowning of their what is the skull and collecting of the hypothalamus. And adding some amount of the alcohol and to able to formation of pituitary extracts. Formation of pituitary. These are together to form some of the pituitary extracts. So these pituitary extracts are injected into adult, nothing but the adult fishes. Inject into adult fishes. So these are known as a brooding mechanism. So this is known as a hypophyseal portal system. This system is present from fishes to mammalia. They are asking in examination the hypophyseal portal system is present in from which phylum to which phylum or which classes to which classes. A reptile to mammalia or fishes to mammalia. They are asking this portal system. What is the importance? The regulation and collecting of the nitrogen. What is the importance in fishes? These are what is the artificial brooding mechanism. So for pituitary extracts. Are you clear? Next one, last system is known as a renal portal system. Very important. Renal portal system. Renal nothing but kidney. They are collecting nitrogenous wastages from the kidney region. So first one, what is the hepatic in the renal portal system? They are collecting collecting deoxygenated blood from the hind parts, the hind limbs of the body. This type of circulation, this type of portal system is present in only, note down, only amphibians. Only amphibians. The remaining all are completely absence of renal portal system. This system only presents in amphibians. Okay. In this system, the deoxygenized blood is collecting from hind limbs, not the forelimbs, the hind limb of the body. Hind limbs, collecting hind limbs. First one, they are collecting hind limbs, the hind limbs to kidney, the deoxygenized blood from the hind limbs to kidney. The kidney after the purification, the remaining remaining nitrogenous wastages are releasing into urinary bladder. The blood is transformed into veins to heart. So this is known as a renal portal system. So this is collecting blood from the hind limbs, only hind limbs, not forelimbs. The renal portal system, the deoxygenated blood is carries from the hind limbs of the body. Which one? In amphibians. So these are transporting into the kidney. So the kidney after the purification, the excess amount of the nitrogen wastages are releasing into urinary bladder. The remaining blood is directly enters into the heart through the veins. So this is known as a renal portal system. Are you clear? The three systems are completed.